Want to update Elementor Pro on your WordPress site? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily so you can keep designing without any hiccups. Before we dive in, remember to take a moment and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any useful tutorials from us. Now start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress site. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. Find Elementor in the list. If an update is available, you'll see the Update Now option. Click it, and the update will install automatically in a few moments. Next, scroll down to find Elementor Pro. If there's an update available for that as well, just click Update Now, and it'll follow the same process. Within seconds, both plugins will be up to date and ready to go. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're grabbing Elementor for your web designing purposes, consider using the affiliate link in the description. It really helps support the channel. Catch you in the next one.